Another United 777 in town to pick up the Browns. And they're actually loading up in the buses not too far from me, so I'm just going to get a quick shot and head over. Good afternoon. Welcome to this beautiful Saturday afternoon up here at CLE Hopkins. How about that weather last night? 1046 Frontier heading to Orlando, MCO. I believe it's their polar bear livery. He won't be very happy down there. Spirit 707 inbound from Orlando. Back-to-back Orlandos to start the afternoon. What a gorgeous afternoon. Much different than the last couple of days we've been up here. Storms possible this evening, but for the most part today, it should be absolutely beautiful. About 75 degrees, sunny, nice breeze. Gonna enjoy it today. It might be the last nice Saturday of the year. You never know. The landscapers are here. Thought he might have rolled down all the way because there's a United behind him, but looks like he's going to turn off. United 1870 inbound from Chicago O'Hare. Hope this crew isn't actually working on the parking lot. I'm going to end up moving. We'll see. That looks more like an asphalt truck. Breaking news from Cleveland involving United. United is adding flights to Hopkins for the holiday season and hopefully beyond, including Phoenix and Las Vegas non-stops. So we'll be seeing more United 737s in the future. Delta 5757 inbound from Detroit. As far as those diversions last night, the Sun Country flew in about 9 o'clock, and the Southwest Herb Kellner livery came in a little bit before that. Unfortunately, we missed those last night due to the storms, but we'll get them next time. There are a couple special liveries here today. We'll see what time they show up. As well as that United 777. We'll see him depart in a little bit. Didn't see if the Avelo 737 was still over there or not. Delta 1505 Airbus A321 heading to, where do you think? If you guessed Atlanta, you'd be correct. We got a special livery inbound. 3316 for Southwest, inbound from Midway, Chicago. It's Lone Star 1. Oh, how I wish they were coming in the other way. But we will get him departing here in about an hour. Wasn't sure which way to approach this today because I really wanted to see the 777 lead. But we'll get him departing. Got to see Lone Star 1 a few times, not only here but at other airports as well. And we were parked right next to it at Phoenix earlier this year.
Left to Papa, cross runway 24 left to this frequency.
I think that's my favorite of Southwest special liveries right there. The original Lone Star 1. Even though that's not the original Lone Star 1, of course. The original was the 737-300. And it was replaced with the 700 a couple years ago. Got a Piper Aerostar taking off, heading to Cincinnati. United 1739 from Orlando. A lot of Orlando flights so far this morning. Everyone going down to enjoy the 50th anniversary at Disney World. Came down a hill a little bit because there's quite a few people here for the Browns charter, and I just didn't want to be in anybody's shot. But unfortunately, I don't have the long telescopic lens that some people have. But it's on my Christmas list. 737-900 for United coming in from Orlando. Watched a documentary last night on the 50th anniversary of Disney World. Pretty interesting. American 1264 inbound from Charlotte. See, there's actually two Southwest special liveries here today. The other one is Heart 2. Flew in this morning and not supposed to fly out until this evening, unfortunately, but a couple Southwest special liveries that are here today. Kind of feel like there's a 737-800 scheduled to go to Tampa earlier today. That flight was canceled, so I kind of wonder if that was the flight that airplane was supposed to have been on. But maybe they'll bump it up. I don't love this angle. I'm close to the runway when I'm kind of underneath it a little bit. The sun's not in the best spot either for takeoffs.
And we are Charlie 3 for American 1264.
3659 from Washington Dulles. It's a Embraer E175.
Now you contact tower 124.5. Tower 33. Going 665. For left at Papa, this frequency.
Southwest 4757. How I wish that was a Southwest 757. Could you imagine? Anyways, heading down to Fort Myers, Florida. Could be a Canyon Blue 700.
Runway 24 right. Clear flight 1, we're showing you pretty far southwest. Brett, you on that code you said? Taxi via Lima Kilo Juliet.
Looks like our 777 is rolling over there. So we'll see him taking off in the next couple minutes.
Copies, 24 right via Juliet 2, Juliet 3, Lima Alpha Golf, cross 24 right at where? Cross 24 left at Alpha. Cross 24 left at Alpha, United 2537.
Forget the flight number for the Spirit, but I know he's heading down to Fort Myers, Florida. Photo bombed by a yellow jacket there.
For 15 Romeo radar contact, 10 miles north of Lorraine, altitude 2,900, still altimeter 3001. Cleared to here, Juliet X-ray Airport via as filed, proceed direct Lilo. For now, maintain 4,000.
United 2535 Heavy heading out to Los Angeles, LAX. It's our Cleveland Browns charter taking them out to play the Chargers this weekend. The 777-200. Zoom out here in a second. Probably the biggest crowd I've seen for a United 777 so far. Typically it's just the usual crowd. Oh, we'll try this. Let's see what we get. United 4045 heading out to Newark, EWR. Frontier 2434, Jack the Rabbit, inbound from Tampa Bay, TPA. Let's see where the Tampa Bay Rays are talking about splitting time next year between playing at Tampa and playing in Montreal, Canada. I really feel bad for the Tampa Bay fans. Looks like probably the first step out of town for the Rays. That's unfortunate. I know the Rays really don't draw very well, and I know the stadium is not the greatest, and it's not the greatest area, but I feel like the Lightning and Buccaneers have proven that Tampa fans are dedicated when things are going well, as all as most fans are, but they do show up, and that's a really good baseball team. So I feel bad for the loyal fans of the Rays who look like, unfortunately, the team is heading out of town. Hopefully not, but I'm not sure about Montreal either. We've seen that market already not do well with the Expos, so I'm not really sure about that. I think Nashville or Charlotte, there's a lot of places around the country that Oklahoma City, I think that could do really well for a baseball team. All right, special livery time again. It's Lone Star 1 heading back to Chicago, 30:35 to Midway. Sun's not in the best spot, but hopefully get a decent shot at this. Whoops. My help actually. Gorgeous. Sunday we're going to get him coming in on 6 left. 50-57 for Delta heading back to Detroit, DTW. Southwest 30-15 heading to Phoenix. Today's edition of Spotting at Cleveland Hopkins. I hope you enjoyed Lone Star 1 and the 777. Heading down south to Columbus tonight. We got some plans down there tonight. I don't know if we'll do any spotting, but definitely got some plans to head down there. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. Hope you all have a great weekend, and we'll be back up here again to catch some more up here at Cleveland Hopkins. Y'all have a great weekend.